In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Steam support ticket. Steam, as you might already know, is a very popular platform where millions of users come to play games, connect with friends, and more. Now, if you ever encounter an issue or need assistance, knowing how to reach out to Steam support can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and take it one step at a time to help you navigate this process with ease. First, open your web browser and head over to the Steam website. Make sure that it is the official Steam community site to ensure your credentials remain safe. Once you're there, simply click on Login located at the top right corner. Now, enter your username and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, there's a handy Forgot Your Password option right there to help you reset it. Once you're logged in, hover over your profile name located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Support. This will lead you directly to the Steam support page, which is designed to give you a list of common issues and options for assistance. On this page, you'll find a variety of categories such as My Account, Games, Software, etc., and Purchases. From here, choose the category that best matches your issue. For instance, if you're having trouble with a game, clicking on that Games category will present you with a list of games related to your account. After you've chosen the appropriate category, try to find the issue you're experiencing. Steam has laid out several predefined problems in each category. Let's say you're having trouble with a recent purchase. You would click on Purchases and then specify the particular transaction or item that is causing you trouble. And don't worry if you can't find an exact match. You'll usually have an option to select that you'll need more help. Now, if you still require assistance beyond the predefined selections, here's what to do next. Look for I still need help or a similar option, which will give you the opportunity to describe your problem more specifically. This is typically where you'll find the option to contact Steam customer support directly. This leads you to a form where you can write a detailed message. Make sure to explain your issue clearly and give as much relevant information as you can. The more details you provide, the better equipped the support team will be to assist you. Once you've carefully filled out all the necessary fields, double-check everything for accuracy. Click Submit. And there you have it. After submission, you'll receive notification via email when the support team responds, and you can then log back into Steam support to continue the conversation if needed. And that's it, you've successfully opened a Steam support ticket. Hope this guide helps make the process smooth and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.